everybody, we're out on an adventure today. I have this map. It is Find Your Path at the Library, and basically what we're doing is we are going to try to visit every single library in the Sonoma County branch system. Today I'm at the Petaluma Library, and as we visit we are going to collect these little stickers. There is a sticker for every single library, and don't know if you can make it out, but we've visited every branch in Santa Rosa, we've visited Sonoma, and today, as I said, we're in Petaluma, and basically we're going to try and catch as many branches as we can, and we're going to make an adventure out of them. We're going to take the train, take the bus, however we can get there that doesn't involve driving, just to have an adventure and to complete our map. If you're interested, you can pick one of these maps up at any branch of Sonoma County Library, and then maybe you can set out on a sticker collecting adventure too. And maybe I'll see you at the library.